Welcome to the Aquasure drain maintenance video. To begin, you'll need to gather a few tools and supplies. To follow along with this video, you will need a cleaning brush, a food-grade lubricant or silicone grease, and a toothpick or similar small stick object. Shut off the main water supply valve. Locate the water supply valve to your home and turn it off. Then open the nearest faucet and allow any water to drain, releasing the system water pressure. Close system bypass. Turn the two bypass knobs clockwise to place the system in bypass mode. Remove drain connector. Release the locking clip from the drain connector and then proceed to remove the drain connector elbow. Remove the drain line flow control. Using a thin stick or toothpick, pry the DLFC from the drain elbow. Brush clean the DLFC. Using a small brush, clean both sides and the interior ring of the drain line flow control. Put DLFC back and lubricate the O-ring. Push the drain line flow control back into its socket and spread a small amount of food-grade lubricant or silicone grease onto the O-ring. Reinstall the drain connector. Push the drain connector back into place and reinstall the locking clip. Open system bypass. Turn the two bypass knobs counterclockwise to put the system back in service mode. Turn on water supply valve. Turn on the main water supply valve to your home. Our US-based dedicated customer support team would be happy to help you if you have any further questions.